I got me a dime bag. Check it out. Straight Colombian cocaine. I thought I had a bunch more stuff. Oh, there it is. I was going to say my thieving dad took it. He's about to come in. Come on. Get out of there. Good old-fashioned bit of honey, but I can't get it to come out with one hand. There it is. Dad, I'm just going to go hit the scooter for a bit.
Okay.
I'll leave the key with you.
Okay.
But not till I hit the trunk. All right, take it easy. And I will hide my wallet. You can tell I was raised in Cleveland with the mindset like that. All right. See, the thing is, you could easily get caught up in self-pity and say, oh, I'm driving to Florida and I'm tired and all this stuff. But you could also have the attitude of, forget about it. See, I don't have a van, and it'd be too much nonsense to take a bicycle with my dad in the car. Get off of there. Get off of there. I've been singing Lawyers, Guns, and Money my whole trip down here. I have no idea why. What is this? Oh, wow. Yeah, the electric chargers. That's cool. What are they up to now per charge? 300 miles? I should know that, but I don't. $2.99 on the gas. I'll probably put my tennis shoes on and do a little jogging on this grass. We'll stay an hour here, no doubt about it. Busy bee. I don't know if you can see that. Now, one of my uncles was a truck driver, and he would often talk about how some showers are cleaner than the other. I just use mouthwash mixed with water, and that's my shower. I haven't had a bath in 4 days, and I do not apologize for it. I'm too busy to take showers. Nah, just kidding, sort of. Huh, that's interesting. That lady over there's got a oh, okay, that's a cart from the place. You see all that sun damage on that Honda? I hope I'm getting it. The sun's so bright I can't see what I'm looking at. So that's about it, man. Like I said, man, sometimes life is what you make it. You know, I mean, the thing about driving down to Florida is you got to go back. And usually I go to Fort Myers, but I have my dad with me. We have a family party to go to, and I just didn't want to drive all the way down there. So we found a hotel for under $100, and we're going to stay there a few days and then head on back. Here's a truck stop instead of St. Peter's. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I'll close you out with, I don't even know the guy's first name. Is it Zevant? Lawyers, guns, and money. The shit has hit the fan. I was something in Honduras. I took a little risk. Something, something. Lawyers, guns, and money. get me out of this. Looks like 10, and we just got off I-75, so that gives you an idea where we're at. I'm pretty sure Tallahassee is about 10 miles that way, and Jacksonville would be on the other side of that, and we're not going any deeper. All right, gang, that's it.